following video will demonstrate how to access the web interface of a Sibell device using Internet Explorer. Once we've located the IP address of our Sibell recorder or IP camera, we can now use Internet Explorer to access the web interface. So now we'll go ahead and run Internet Explorer as administrator. Go ahead and right-click and run as administrator. And since we already know the IP address, we're going to go ahead and type it in. Okay, now there's two things that we want to do here. The first one is to add the IP to your compatibility list. Okay, that's now added. Now we want to go to our internet options, go to security, custom level, and find your way to allow for unassigned ActiveX controls. Okay. Now we can go ahead and enter the username and password. I'm just using my default settings here, admin and 123456 for the password. So now we're actually in the web interface of our recorder. It'll ask you to install a plugin here. Go ahead and install it and then refresh your browser. Then you'll be able to view your camera like we are here. Okay, now we're going to go to playback and we'll go over backing up footage from the web interface. So you can search by using the filters there. Then select your camera and select your date. Now select search. Now your timeline will appear. You could actually zoom in and zoom out using the plus and minus there. Okay, now we're going to back up some footage. So to do that, you want to left click on your start point. Then left click on the left scissor. And left click on your end point. And then left click on the right scissor. So now there's a white and red little margin there. Now left click on backup. It'll now ask you where you want to save the file to. Go ahead and select your file path. Here we'll just send it to the desktop and then we'll actually show you the video file. Now since it is an AVI file, not all players support that. So we do recommend using VLC player. So we'll just go ahead and drag that file to this screen here and we'll open it up. And there you have your downloaded footage to your computer. Thank you for watching.